Welcome to my Simvoly review, where I'll be walking you through all the features and tools this website builder has to offer. If you've been considering using Simvoly for your website or online store, you're in the right place. Simvoly is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, which makes it easy for beginners and advanced users alike to build fully functional websites without coding skills. Once you land on the Simvoly homepage, you'll notice a sleek design and clear calls to action. After signing up and logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is simple yet packed with useful options. You'll see the option to start a new project right away, whether you want to build a website, landing page, or e-commerce store. The templates are organized by category, such as business, portfolio, and online store, so finding something relevant to your needs is quick. The drag-and-drop builder works seamlessly. You can easily add elements like text blocks, images, videos, and forms to your page. Each block is fully customizable, allowing you to tweak colors, fonts, and positioning without needing any technical knowledge. There's also a wide range of widgets you can add, from social media links to payment processors for your online store. One standout feature is the e-commerce tools Simvoly provides. You can create an online store with ease, add products, and set up a checkout process. There's also the option to integrate with payment gateways, like PayPal and Stripe, which makes setting up payments simple. Inventory management and shipping settings are built into the platform, allowing you to manage your store from one central dashboard. Marketing tools are another strength of Simvoly. You can integrate email marketing, track visitor analytics, and optimize your site for SEO with the built-in tools. There's also a blog feature, which is great if you plan to regularly publish content on your site. One thing to note is that Simvoly's pricing plans are competitive, but not the cheapest out there. However, the value you get in terms of the features offered makes it worth considering, especially for small businesses and entrepreneurs who need both a website and e-commerce features in one place. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Whether it's tools for website optimization, design inspiration, or additional resources to improve your online presence, you'll find helpful links that could assist in your journey. In conclusion, Simvoly is an excellent choice for those who want a straightforward website builder with e-commerce and marketing features. Its drag-and-drop interface, combined with robust customization options and a solid set of tools, makes it a strong contender for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on website builders. I'll be sharing more detailed insights on other platforms in the future.